Are you hungry? Like in your spirit? We all know how to fill our bellies. Just Google restaurants near me. Just head to the grocery store. Just type in easy at-home recipes into the gram. There's some great ones. But what do we Google? Where do we turn when our spirit wants to eat? In the Old Testament, the Israelites find themselves hungry in the desert. You may know that God provided manna or bread from heaven. The manna was both food and lesson. With it, God reminds them that people don't live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God. And later in John 6:33 through 35, we find Jesus talking to another crowd about another bread. For the bread of God is that which comes down out of heaven and gives life to the world. Then they said to him, Lord, always give us this bread. They thought he was talking about some miracle bread for their physical bodies, the early version of Wonder Bread. But he was talking about an inner hunger, a hunger of the Spirit. Jesus said to them, I am the bread of life. He who comes to me will not hunger, and he who believes in me will never thirst. Like our body, our soul gets hungry. And hunger is just a warning sign telling my body to do something, to fix the problem. And the same is true of your spirit. If there's something in you longing for more, your spirit is telling your brain to do something. Don't ignore that. Don't starve your spirit. Instead, run to Jesus today, right now, in prayer, and tell the bread of life that your spirit is hungry. He promises to fill you.